Modern life has people life so busy and clumsy. Staying in city, traveling to the offices for a long time, and it disturbs the mind and it destroys our health. There are some people who really want to have a classic life without any disturbances. For those people, the right choice is villas life. If you see, there are some places where it's famous for their not only for the luxurious life, for their comfortable and eco-friendly environment, and the most interesting is the classic neighborhood. For those people, there are few areas we can suggest. That is, earlier we had a dream of when you talk about villas, three areas come to mind: Banjara Hills, Jubilee Hills, and Gachibowli. But today it's not that scenario. Later on, it has shifted to Tellapur, Kolhapur. Now, do you know, surprisingly, majority of the people are preferring for one area, that is exit number 14 nearby Maheshwaram. If you see, there are so many classical villas and the high standards with the most comfortable, and you never feel that you are in a city. It creates an ambience and atmosphere that you are at a peaceful place in the forest with all the amenities and luxuries. So if someone really want to know about the areas and the prices and the available properties and the projects nearby Maheshwaram and surrounding areas of villa projects, please contact this number. We are here to serve the best and to give the better choice for your future investment and the dream peaceful life.